initiative is helping Winston-Salem residents better deal with traumatic events. Multiple local groups are teaming up to host a community kickoff for We Heal Together Winston-Salem later this week.
And that event is being held this Thursday, free and open to the public. You do need to register in advance, though. So joining us now is Misha James, the director of the We Heal Together Winston-Salem initiative. Good morning, Misha. Thank you for being here.
Good morning, and thank you all for having me.
Absolutely. So just start by telling us what exactly this initiative is and why it was started.
So We Heal Together is a $4 million grant-funded initiative granted by SAMHSA, a federal agency, and SAMHSA stands for Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration, and it's under their RECAST initiative, which is resiliency in communities after stress and trauma. And this part of their funding started after George Floyd was murdered. And East Winston is the recipient of the focused area in Winston-Salem in which we will be offering services.
Okay, so what nonprofits make up this partnership and what are their roles in the initiative?
Sure. So first we have Action for Equity, which is part of our programmatic arm of the grant, in which they are actually located this year in Piedmont Park, where they are working with families in that area. They were already active before the grant was funded, so this grant funding helped them to further their work. They will change neighborhoods, hopefully every year of the grant, so that they can foster other students or other young adults in other neighborhoods in Winston-Salem. We have Foresight Futures, who is working on the research piece, the research and data, and making sure that it is not harmful. And in order to do that, we have to make sure that community is involved, just not community informed, but community led. So there's a People's Research Council that is led by community members who are in charge of making sure the questions are not harmful. And if they are and open up any wounds, we make sure we have mental health staff available when questions are asked in surveys. Community members receive gift cards as compensation for their time. So we're just not going to ask the same questions and then community wonders, well, whatever happened to that information we gave you a couple years ago when you come back around asking those same questions. So we want to do something different. And last but not least is Cross North Center for Trauma Resilient Communities. We are going to be responsible for offering backbone agencies assistance, backbone agencies who work with these youth in these communities, offering them trauma resilient tools to be able to communicate properly and help heal with the community members they are serving.
Wow, what a lot of great work you guys are doing, Misha. If you could tell us about the ribbon cutting and community kickoff celebration. It's this Thursday. What do people need to know about that?
It is family friendly. So we are intentional about inviting community, specifically those from East Winston. So that's why it's at 5 o'clock after traditional work hours. So we want families to come. We're going to have events or opportunities for children to be involved while their parents are listening to the panel discussion. Food is involved, which is why we are asking for registration. We know the cost of food has increased, so we want to make sure we have enough for everyone. And it's going to be located at St. Stephen Missionary Baptist Church, which is in the Northeast Winston side of community, but they are partnering with us to provide us office space for Action for Equity and Cross North Center for Trauma Resilient Communities. So that's why we're going to do a ribbon cutting to show community where we're located and if they need assistance, where they can find us.
And we only have a few seconds left with you, Misha, but specifically, who are you hoping attends this event on Thursday?
This East Winston community, all ages. We understand based on the census tract, it's 50-50 of Black and African American and Latinx and Hispanic. So we want everybody from that community to come. While all Winston-Salem is invited, we are intentional about East Winston-Salem.
Misha, thank you so much for your time this morning. The We Heal Together Winston-Salem initiative is once again this Thursday. The community kickoff event is being held at St. Stephen Missionary Baptist Church, located on Noble Street from 5 until 8. We'll have a direct link so you can register for this event. It'll be posted on triadcw.com.